Yo, Trades by Easel here. Just wanted to do a daily review. Today was actually a loss day of close to max loss, which is 240, so it was max loss. Um, First trade, we had a displacement outside the 5-minute orb. We had our fair value gap. We had a retest. We had a bullish engulfing candle, and we failed. Which, that's just trading for you. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose some. We then decided to take the reversal fair value gap. This is our third candle that closed inside the range. We decided to take it and we failed. Today was news, so that could have been a big player to it, or it's just how the cookie crumbled. You're just not going to win them all. We ended up trading ES today instead of YM. YM had a great push up. I thought that we already missed the move on YM from pre-market and news. So I decided to come over to ES. I think YM failed, so I don't think it would have mattered, but I'll double check that. Um, so we did everything right. All the entries, stop losses were set in appropriate spots. So there's really nothing that I can say, okay, well, I could have done this better. On this trade right here, I was actually going to add to this trade on this engulfing candle. And I decided not to. And man, that would have hurt if we did. I mean, this is considered an A plus right there to have the engulfing. Everything about that trade was fantastic. So if we go over to MYM, we can see real quick if how that went down. Alright, so we need the 9:30 candle, between 9:30 and 9:35. This is our orb. Let's see. So, yep, it would have fell too. We would have taken our entry here for the displacement out. Our stop would have been below. We would have had our entry here on the close. Stop would have been underneath the fair value gap. We would have targeted 2 to 1, and I can tell you we would have lost that as well. So it didn't really matter which asset we traded today, they both would have lost. And it looks like the reversal back in, same situation, would have lost. So fortunately, that didn't matter today on which asset we traded. So that was today. I do want to let you know I'm a little disappointed with the situation with Top Step here. I passed an eval and I funded it, and this funded has always been my original one. We're $1,600 in profit still on it. But for some odd reason, I cannot copy trade. I can't have the new funded be a follower. So I have to make my new funded the leader, and this one has to become the follower. So I am a little disappointed about that because this is the one I've been working on the longest, and this is just my OG, and I have a little sentimental attachment to it. So it's like I don't want to trade. I don't want it to be a follower. So on the videos, I don't know if I'm going to just start with this new one as being my leader and this one's just going to become a follower, or when I make videos, I'll switch over to the follower. I mean, I don't see how that's going to work because it says the follower, but I guess it is what it is. We are going to be going to our new funded account as our baseline tomorrow, and hopefully we get a nice setup that we can take. My heart's not broken from today's losses. It's is what it is. Just fortunately, you're gonna lose some. But I did take a quick look at YM, and that is a heck of a 4 hour candle. So I am I'm definitely leaning bearish, but I'm also keeping in mind that we had these 4 hour lows right here. So I don't think this is just going to be manipulation because we left the sell side liquidity here, and this is almost a double bottom there. And this is a daily fair value gap down here that we have not yet cleaned up. So I'm not going to say this is manipulation. So going into tomorrow, I would like to see Asia, London, and pre-market kind of work its way up, get into this 1 hour fair value gap, and then possibly get a rejection off this value area. And then we can take our orb short tomorrow. Certainly not going to die on any hills, but that's what I would like to see happen. So we will be back at it tomorrow. I will post the video and we will see. And tomorrow is Friday, so we will get a weekly review. So far, we are at 2 wins and 2 losses this week. So tomorrow will be the defining breaker of how we did this week. So I look forward to tomorrow trading. I like to be able to end a week and do a daily review, and regardless what happens tomorrow, win, lose, break even, we'll be here. Take care.